Here's how to clear your watch and search history on X. Now, if you want to go through and clear out your entire search history and watch history, I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's hop out of X and open it up again on your iPhone or Android. And the first thing we need to do is get to your settings. So at the top left there, you can see that profile button. I'm just going to tap on that profile button. And then I'm going to scroll down to the very bottom and we're going to choose settings and privacy at the bottom. Now within here, you'll see a bunch of different options, but we need to scroll down until we find the option that says accessibility, display, and languages. Tap on that. Now from here, all we need to do is get into the bottom one, data usage. This will include all of your search history, all of your watch history that you can clear out. So within here, what we're specifically looking for is to clear the storage. So tap on media storage first, and then we'll tap media storage clearing. Now, we also want to tap on web storage here because you can see I can hit clear web storage, but also clear all storage would be good as well. So tap on clear all storage. Now you're not done because you also want to clear out that search history. So to do that, it's fairly easy. Just tap on the search bar at the very bottom left there. And now at the very top, just tap on the search bar and you'll be able to see all of your recent searches. To clear them, you just tap on the X at the very top here, tap on it and tap on clear. And just like that, you've cleared out that watch and search history.